Blizzard 2016, January 23rd. Look at my beautiful backyard. Mom, I didn't listen to you. I didn't take out the curtains. Oops. Sorry. Guess we're gonna have to buy new ones. There's Zoe's Barbie house that we still haven't put together from Christmas. Parents of the year. Let's go look in the front. Let's go. Come on. Look how nice and neat the house looks when there's no kids. So crazy. He's calling me. It's Winter Wonderland. Aww. Very nice. Nobody's outside shoveling snow. How am I supposed to go to work? All right. See you guys later. Bye.